we will look for integer solutions to this problem. So to find integer solutions, there are different methods, but the methods that is normally used for this kind of problem is to start off by factorizing the left side. And we'll look at the elements and see, well, there's x and there's a y and there's a xy here. So to factorize it, we will need to make a parenthesis with an x, and we'll need to make a parenthesis with a y, and we'll need that this gives us 76 for now. But I also, so I know if I factor these, x times y gives xy, but then I also need that I write something here that gives us either an x or a y. So I had to times something with y to give it y. That must be plus 1. Okay, and I need to do the same over here to get my x, because this is over here, so I need to say plus 1, which gives us the x. But we have a little problem, because if I look at this, well, 1 times 1, that gives 1, so this will give us a plus 1 up here. I will solve that by saying plus 1 over here. So now I have factorized it, and the equal sign is still correct. So this is 77. And this is x plus 1 times y plus 1. Now 1 and 1 are integers, so x and y should still be integers to give it 77. We need to figure out which numbers are divisors of 77. Well, 1 is a divisor, 7 is a divisor, 11 is a divisor, and 77 is a divisor. And obviously there are negative counterparts, so 1 minus 7 minus 11 minus 77, because we work in all integers, so the negative numbers are possible outcomes as well. So we know that x plus 1 could be equal to, let's say, 1, and then y plus 1 would be equal to 77. We also know that x plus 1 could be equal to 77, and then y plus 1 would be equal to 1. And we know that x plus 1 could be equal to 7, and then y plus 1 would be equal to 11, and we know that x plus 1 would be equal to 11, then y plus 1 would be equal to 7. Let's calculate these first. So this would give us x, y equals to 0.76, and down here we have 76.0, and here we will have 6.10 and 10.6. And we could do the same to say, well, x plus 1 equals minus 1, and y plus 1 equals minus 77, and x plus 1 equals minus 77, y plus 1 equals minus 1, and x plus 1 equals minus 11, y plus 1 equals minus 7, and reversed, x plus 1 equals minus 7, y plus 1 equals minus 11. And again, if we look at this, well, here we need x to be minus 2 and y to be minus 78. And reversed, minus 78, minus 2. And here we need x to be minus 12 and y to be minus 8, and reversed, minus 8, minus 12. So these are all the solutions, 8, different solutions to this problem.